Dr. Hook and the Medicine Show was an American rock band formed in Union City, New Jersey. They enjoyed considerable commercial success in the 1970s with hit singles including Sylvia's Mother, the cover of Rolling Stone, Only 16, A Little Bit More, Sharing the Night Together, When You're in Love with a Beautiful Woman, Better Love Next Time, and Sexy Eyes. In addition to their own material, Dr. Hook and the Medicine Show performed songs written by the poet Shel Silverstein. The band had 8 years of regular chart hits in the United States, where their music was played on top 40, easy listening, and country music outlets, and throughout the English-speaking world including the UK, Canada, and South Africa. Their music spanned several genres, mostly novelty songs and acoustic ballads in their early years, though their greatest success came with their later material, mostly consisting of disco-influenced soft rock, which the band recorded under the shortened name Drive. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.